Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to record a Zoom meeting. All right, let's begin. First, launch the Zoom app on your PC and make sure you're currently in a meeting. Next, click the arrow next to the microphone icon to ensure the correct microphone and speaker are selected. If you're the host and you would like to enable the recording feature for a participant, click on Participants. Hover over the participant's name, click More, and select Allow Record. But in order to record your own meeting, click on the three dots icon and select Record. Also, make sure the microphone icon is not muted, so the meeting will now be recorded with audio. Once the meeting ends, click the Stop button to stop the recording. Then click on Confirm to end the session. After the meeting, Zoom will automatically convert the recording. You can find it in your Zoom folder on your computer or in your cloud storage if you chose that option. So that's basically how you can record a Zoom meeting. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.